$70.25, and we'll get them. As author Anthony Brandt has said, other things may change us, but we start and end with family. I've been picking the Commonwealth for 20 years, searching high and low at yard sales, thrift stores, antique malls, garages, and sometimes even barns for treasures I can pass on to new homes through eBay. But now as I watch my little ones growing up before my eyes, I find that my real treasures are right here with me every day. So join us as we pick, flip, and resell on our 2 eBay stores and in our 3 antique booths.
Yes, you know, I've got it, so it's finally budding. I've been trimming it. Yeah, it's got its first bud. I didn't, you know, because... Wow.
Wow. In Japan, there's some old stuffed animals. Fun Farm, San Francisco. My Toy Plush Pals. It's an Easter Bunny. $2. These are cool. Gunned. I'm gonna buy them all. $2. 2 for. What do we got? 6. $70.25, and we'll get them. Is this your sale? Can I set these over
Sure
over here and keep looking around?
Sure can. I'll set them up this way.
Oh
goodness.
Right.
Okay.
I just put them up there. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you.
Hey, some deals on these things. $3 for that chair. Look at this. Wow. Tons of great stuff. That's funny. Very Newton John. DC and the Sunshine Band. Captain and Tennille. Prices are great.
Well, no, they're not doing anything. She said I have to do 2, but then I gotta drop tu vuoi che io chiedo a Catalano?
Usually avoid ties. Hard sellers.
I thought that you.
Mouse pad. 25 bucks for a set. I should probably buy that. But I'm not gonna. $3 for all of them? I'll sell these in my booth. I mean, it must be 75 of them.
Oh, that's the angel. I gotta look at it because I've heard like for years about. I guess I've only been there 3 years, but I've heard a lot about it.
He's done, a lot of. That's great.
I don't know, I'm back here.
Making a pile to go around. In the box, and that's what price for 10. So I get both of them for 20.
What kind of
Put that back here too.
did you have? Because we ripped the kitchen cupboards out, and I would have $1.
Thank you.
I'll grab that. 18. These don't go for much, but there's like 11 or 12 of the Barbies. Put them in a lot, they'll go for 20, 30 bucks. Just shipping. I sold that one before. That was a few dollars in a kid's store. Those doors are cool. Usually sell pretty good in the antique booth, but I don't have enough room today. There you go. $1,000 Beanie Babies right there. Ma'am, or whoever. Is this whole it says $5, so is that like the whole tub $5?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'm ready to settle up if y'all are.
Okay.
I didn't see, there's no prices on those ties and the 8 tracks, but there is on this. So it's $3.
Okay.
And then that's, I think that was 7 1/4. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's 7 1/4 for the plush.
Okay.
5. So it's 12 1/4.
That's
17 and 20 1/4. And then
8. How about 22?
22. Sounds good. Sounds like a plan. I was just about ready to say that, so we're right on the right page. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay.
You want a bag for those?
Yeah, if you've got one, that'd be great. I'm all out of bags today, which is amazing. Box? You know what? It doesn't matter. I mean, I can take it if you don't. That box would be great. Oh, a ton of you. Yeah, thank you.
Do you mind if I ask you a question? Out of curiosity, what was your thought with the Rockwell prints?
I have an antique booth in Bedford, and I thought I was going to put $1 a piece on them and take me 10 years to sell them and make some money.
One individual print of each different type, and I've already got them framed.
Yeah. I figured somebody would probably do that too, right? Just, you know, there's probably 50, 60, 70 in there, and you know, I'll just sell them slowly but surely.
But 2 of the most famous ones, the Thanksgiving dinner and
right,
the child at
and
the
the
doctor's.
child at the doctor's office. But somebody will do what you did. They'll grab the prints and frame them up, right? Cheap decoration. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.
I really appreciate
Are
it.
you at Needful Things? Or the antique shop in Bedford?
Okay, so I do, I have Needful Things and Bell Treasures. Those are the 2 in Bedford. So are you familiar with those?
Oh, yeah.
On North Bridge Street? Yeah. I have a booth downstairs. Two at Bell Treasures and 1 up at Needful Things. So it's just perfect kind of stuff, you know. It takes a long time to sell them sometimes, but we sell them.
Well, good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all have a great day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Got a lot of work. You better sell, you know.
Yeah. You need to buy a whole lot of it.
I should stay, but I've already got a car full already, so I better take off.
Let me go unload it from the back.
I might do that. Thank you. Okay. All right. Well, if you think you'll be done at 12:30, then I just would be surprised if you'll be done at 12:30. Okay. Awesome. I'll plan on it. Love you. Bye. I just remembered I left something here.
Back for more.
Do you, how much for this? Can I take these plates out of here and look at this sink strainer?
Sure.
I don't want to. I don't want to break anything for one.
You have a little one? Sure.
Okay.
Just the little things.
All right, sure.
How much you want it?
I passed on one earlier today, but it had quite a bit of damage on it. This one looks okay.
You know what? I just put everything in the box. Don't worry about the bag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just realized, you know,
How much?
I'm carrying a box around empty. That's kind of silly.
$1.
$1 sounds good. I have a 10 though. I ran out of ones.
That's fine.
Raleigh's.
It's some interesting bottles there.
Yeah, it's definitely cool,
There you
for
go.
sure.
It was one of this one. I'll look this one up. And it's,
Old Quaker.
I want to say that one was like $50.
Good morning. How are you guys?
$50.
Yeah, I couldn't believe some of them are just
Well, now you got me interested. I'm gonna look it up.
2.
Old Quaker
I think it was that one.
bottle.
This one was
Yeah,
pretty pricey.
that one shows like it's going for about 10.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe I'm getting my bottles mixed up.
Cool.
This one,
Is that whiskey? Nope, that's not a whiskey one.
I sold one.
Henry Wampole Company. Cool. All right. Well, I'm
Some
like,
of them are pricey.
yeah, for sure. It's the old 7-Up one is kind of neat too.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, I appreciate it.
All right.
Y'all have a great day.
Thank you too.
It's not Rubbermaid, I don't think, but I think it's still gonna go for 25 bucks. That's what I'm gonna put it out there for. It's cool. Hey, just wanted to give you a quick thank you for joining us today. We really appreciate you coming by. Hope you enjoyed the video today. And this is about a third of the stuff we found today. So there'll be more videos coming out here pretty shortly. And if you want to see what we're selling this stuff for, head on over to the Commonwealth Flipper channel. And that's the channel where we sell the stuff. You can check us out inside this cabin right here. And thanks again for joining us. Don't forget, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.